Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a chocolate cake made up of biscuits. So for that you will need bourbon biscuits and bourbon biscuit that I have grinded to a fine powder. And you will need vanilla essence, jaggery with walnut, milk, butter, mixing bowl, baking powder, a bowl that you will bake it in, cherries and chocolates of your choice. Now I'm gonna mix the ingredients. Leave some butter for greasing it. Now let's mix it. I'm gonna put the batter. Now we will microwave it for 4 minutes. Now let's take out the cake. Wow, it's so nice. Wow, how nicely the cake has come out. We'll let it cool and then we'll put it for garnishing. We are gonna add chocolate and then little bit of milk and we are gonna add butter and 2-3 drops of vanilla essence each. Here we have our ganache with such a dripping consistency. Yay! Look what's coming! In the spread eventually. Mommy.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
So guys, I'm enjoying this very tasty chocolate cake that my brother had just made for me. Let's try this. No, Hey, why are you eating my cake? I'll eat it.